Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the quaint and community of Blackfoot, Alberta. Located in the heart of Alberta's prairie region, Blackfoot offers a peaceful and scenic environment that captures the essence of rural living. Blackfoot was established in the early 20th century primarily as a railway town. The arrival of the railway brought growth and development to the area, making it an important hub for transportation and trade. The community's commitment to preserving its history and supporting local businesses is evident in the well-maintained historic buildings and the vibrant local economy. Whether you're exploring the local shops, enjoying a meal at a family-owned restaurant, or participating in community events, Blackfoot offers a warm and inviting experience. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour of Blackfoot, Alberta. Thanks for watching!